Okay, so it's obviously cooled down. I can touch it now. Have a feel of what's what. Okay, so there's a little hollow there still. That's got to come out. Looks just like a bit full there as well. Little dent there. Dent there, dent there. Apart from that, I'm pleased. So it's two dents to get out. We'll blow it back up. A few dents really, I suppose. That's the worst there. Not a big one though, so not too much heat. It might come out without the hammer. So it has, lovely. That one there. Good. Go on there, well, looks at it. If they're too full, I can always tap them down again. Okay, so we've got this massive crease here that I don't quite know. I haven't quite made my mind up what I'm doing with that yet. I think we're going to try and do it with a bit of heat. This is a whole experiment now. We're going to try and bend that back. I don't think it'll do it with just the heat. We're probably going to bit of brute force and ignorance with this. But the creases are here. This is stretched on that corner and it's gone together here. So I'm going to try and get all of this hot all along. And try and get it out in one go. Thing is, of course, the vice is holding the other pipe, the other end of the rubber bung, because I couldn't use the cable ties now. This might work, it might not. A piece of it, it looked like it's doing it on its own. Happy days. That's a good guess. No. Yes. Well, I'll never. Too much almost, so let's have to stop. Oh, I didn't think that was going to happen. Sorry, I'm going to obscure your view. Obviously that area, all of that area came out with the pressure, but it needs to be a crease. So then I've got it all hot, and while it's hot still, I've tapped down the two full parts here and here, leaving the actual welded joint sharp again. Do the same here, look, there's a bit there. So we're going to get all of that hot. It will obviously stretch too far, but then we'll use the hammer above and below the weld to make the crease. Right, I'm going to have to take it out of the pipe, out of the vise, to see whether or not, so this might blow out now, so prepare for a bone. Like that. Oh. And the pipe's a bit hot for me to hold it, so I'll let it all cool down and be back in a bit.